Good morning students, welcome back to our class. So in today's class we will discuss about those components we have talked about in the last class. In the last class I have simply listed those components that are present in the QBasic screen, but in today's class I will show you those components. So let's take a look at the QBasic screen components. The very first thing that we get to see on the screen is the title bar. Here is the title bar. The title bar actually displays the name of the application. Here the name of the application is QB64. That means QBasic, it is a 64-bit. So this is the title bar. Just below the title bar we have the menu bar. Below the title bar we have the menu bar. The menu bar has various menus such as file, edit, view, search, run, options, help. These are all your menu bar options. Just below that we have the program area. Here is the program area where we type our programs. So we have also the status bar, which is just below the program area, and then we have the scroll bar. Here is the scroll bar and here is the scroll bar. There are two types of scroll bar. One is your vertical scroll bar and the other is your horizontal scroll bar. So here is your horizontal scroll bar and here is your vertical scroll bar. So these are some of the components. Let us see each one of them. So the first one is your title bar. The title bar displays the name of the application. As I have already told you, it displays the name of the application, which is your QBasic. Next is the menu bar. Under the menu bar we have various menu options such as file, edit, view, search, run, options, help. So these are some of the functions that comes under the menu bar. Then we have the name of the program. The name of the program actually, it displays the name of the currently open file. The currently open file name will be displayed. Here it is untitled. So the name of the current program is named as untitled. So here it is untitled. So one more thing you will have to remember is whenever we save the particular program, it will always be saved under the extension .bas. The extension will be .bas. Next we have the status bar. What the status bar displays is the status bar, which is represented at the bottom of the screen. That means the program area, bottom of the program area, it actually displays some important functions. So it is located at the very bottom of the window and it actually displays the list of most frequently used functions. So it will also indicate whether you have the caps lock on, off. All these things will be displayed under the status bar. So this is all about your status bar. Next we have a scroll bar. As I said that there are two types of scroll bar. One is your horizontal and the other is your vertical scroll bar. The scroll bar helps us actually to scroll through the programs. If you want to go through the programs, so either you can go through horizontal way or you can go through the vertical way. So this is how you can view your programs that you have written on the program area using scroll bars. Next you have a program area. This is also a component. It is the area where we actually type our programs. Our programs are being actually typed under this particular area. So this area is known as your program area. So some of the menu operations in QBasic will be explained in the next part of your video. Those menu operations in QBasic will help us to write some programs, edit some programs, and then execute out those programs. So we will discuss this particular menu operations in the coming video. Let's see about the basic menu operations that can be carried out in QBasic editor. The first menu operation that we are going to do is creating a new program file. To do this, what we have to do is go to file and then click on the new option. If you click on the new option, then we can create a new file. So this is how we are making our first program. That means creating our first program using the file menu and then the new option. Next, we will talk about how to open an existing file. How to open an existing file. That means existing file here means if you have already previously done some programs and saved, and if you want to open those programs, then we will have to go to file and click on the open option. If you click on the open option, here we will see different programs. If there are some existing programs, we will see here, but under the files part we have only one program. If you click on this particular program and then click on OK, we will get to see this particular existing program that we have created. So this is how I'm opening using a file and then open option. So next is all about how to save a program. If you want to save this particular program, right now it is 1.bas. If you want to save this particular program under different name, you will have to go to file and then click on save as option. If you click on save as option and change the name, let's say I will make the name as 2.bas and click on OK. If you click on OK, now this particular file will be saved. This is saved under the name 2.bas. So this is how we are working with menu operations, and right now we are with the save option. Next is all about how to run a program. If you want to run this program, I have created a program, and if I want to run this program, if I want to find the output, what I will have to do is go to run menu and then click on the start. That means the start option. The shortcut is F5. If you click on the start option, the program will be now starting to check everything. Compilation is being carried out. Compilation means checking of errors, checking of the entire program is being taken place, and once everything is okay, we will get the result. The addition is 30 because 10 plus 20 we get 30. Right now you will not understand the program. I will let you know how to write this program and you will be able to execute the program. Here what we have to do is, after writing these programs, we have to go to run menu and then click on the start option or F5. Then the program will be starting to execute. So this is all about your this different menu operations. One more thing left, that is how to exit from QBasic. That means come out of QBasic. To come out of QBasic, simply go to file and then click on exit. If you click on exit, you're coming out of the program. So this is all about today's class. I have told you about different menu operations, and I have told you also about different components that are associated with our QBasic screen. In coming classes, we will talk lots more about elements of QBasic. What are the elements that are needed in QBasic? Elements means here what are the things that are needed to make a program. To make a program in QBasic, what are the things that are needed? We will learn these things which are called elements, and then we will slowly create the programs and then start executing them in our QBasic application. So that's all about today's class. We'll see in the coming classes.